Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks on how to recreate these chocolate dipped strawberries in ombre shades of pastel colors. Now, aside from these things, make sure that you go ahead and wash and dry your strawberries first, and then make sure to prepare a baking sheet with parchment paper or a non-stick mat. The first thing that you need to do is melt your chocolate. After you have melted your chocolate, you will go ahead and add oil-based color. Make sure that it is oil-based or candy color, otherwise it'll cause your chocolate to seize. To dip your strawberries, you can definitely use a toothpick, but I like using a scribe or a skewer just because it's longer and it gives you a bit of a better grasp when dipping. After inserting your skewer or your scribe into your strawberry, make sure to pull back the leaves so that when we dip our strawberry into the chocolate is able to cover most of the strawberry, leaving a lot less of the fruit exposed. Remember that it is up to personal preference, but covering most of the strawberry will give you a lot more of a full look once you display your strawberries on a platter or in a box. If you are adding any sprinkles to your strawberries, make sure to do it while your chocolate is still wet. Otherwise, once your chocolate dries, the sprinkles will roll right off the chocolate. I'll let you see a few more times how I went ahead and dipped the rest of my strawberries. What I like to do when changing into a different color, I like to just add drops of new color onto my already melted color. So for example, here I'm adding a little bit of purple to my already melted pink. You can certainly start over with white chocolate, but I just don't want this chocolate to go to waste, so this is the method that I use. At the end, I did decide to add a little bit of gold right onto my strawberries. I did use Divine Specialties mixed in with a little bit of vodka to make it into a paste, and I'll leave those details below. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!